of them don't they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this.
Hey guys, good afternoon, happy Sunday. If you're new here, hi, my name is Adiah, and if you're new, thank you so much for coming back. Today is Saturday. I just got my hair washed now and showered. This took the lights, guys, so I'm using my lamp. Everything better now? No. I'll just show you. Someone was kind enough to prepare lunch for me, so that's for me. But yeah, I'm honestly just chilling. But I want to start this vlog because we're vlogging every week now, and I have editing to do. Like, I need to finish that video today because like I've been stalling for Jesus knows why. But I need to get my act together today. How are you guys doing? How is your week going to be? Let me know if you like the vlog so far. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm done doing like 10-minute vlogs. Like the vlogs will be longer so you guys can hang out with me more and get to know me a little more, because I swear I crop and edit out my personality for my videos. Like by the time I'm done editing my videos, my personality there is like -50. So I leave it longer so you guys can see me, know what I look like, and all of it. But yeah, I'm literally just chilling. Like, let me show you guys what I'm wearing. It's literally giving girlfriend. Okay, well that's it. I'll talk to you guys and have something interesting doing. Okay.
But I'm never lonely. Sexy. Drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low.
Hey guys, good morning. Happy Monday. So I officially start my new job today, and resumption time is by 9. So you know, I just got ready and everything, and I've just been like going through documents and all of that. I have a meeting by 10 with a colleague just to get a few more information, should I say. Then we have a general check-in by 12. Yeah, so honestly I feel so zen. Like I'm so happy. Like, yo, you don't even understand, but I'm really happy. I get my laptop fixed today. I don't know what time. I still need to talk to the, what's it called, the person fixing it, because we need to talk. So I don't even know. Let me text him now that we're here. So I get my hair done tomorrow. That's the plan, to get my hair done tomorrow. But this is how it's looking. I really don't style my hair like this. I don't know. I know I look cute, but it's just because of the fro, it's just not sustainable for me, child. But yeah, so this is what I got on. Nothing serious. I tried to dress up still, even though I'm working from home, because I feel like just being in my PJs would be a little weird for me. So, you know, I got jewelry on here and all that. So yeah, and then I got but yeah, that's it basically. I'm just about to, like, you know, start working basically. Yeah, cheers to a new day. Click. Okay, bye.
From perfect, like everyone I know. I just been. take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on?
Hey guys, good morning. Happy Wednesday. So today's Wednesday. I feel like you guys are cricket. Today's Wednesday. How you guys doing? Yo, I didn't speak to you guys yesterday because I had quite the day yesterday. I'm not even gonna hold you. So I mentioned I was supposed to get my laptop fixed, right? The guy was a no-show. He had issues with last month, so he couldn't get to me. But then he didn't tell me on time, so I had already left the house. I was waiting for 2 hours at this point. It was ridiculous. It was ridiculous. So then I just go home and I just put myself in work, and I got a lot of work done yesterday. So that was why I didn't vlog. Right? But on Monday I mentioned that I'm getting a new camera. All I'm going to say is that God has blessed me with angels in my life. That's it. That's it. That's it. But anyway, so my camera came yesterday, and I'll show you guys what it looks like later today. But right now I have a meeting in 10 minutes, which is ridiculous because I've not opened this link. I like to be in meetings before time, but I have a meeting in 10 minutes. I have 3 meetings today. I have one with an animation guy for a video we're working on. One. Then I have another one with a client by 12:30. Then I have another one I have one with the client by 12, and then I have another one with the camera crew for a job we're doing this weekend by 1:30. So it's a pretty busy day, honestly, but I can't complain. I love what I do, so yeah. So that was just it. Ciao.
Another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Hello my dolls, I just made lunch. Hope you guys can hear me. But this is what I'm having. So I just have mayo, ketchup, eggs, bread, and then I made a little cappuccino drink. So basically this is a Milo drink, right, with coffee. It tastes so good. So good. I have a meeting by 1:30, so I just want to quickly eat lunch. I'm gonna have another one by 3 p.m. Love my life. I'm not gonna lie, I feel a bit overwhelmed, but it's good overwhelmed because it's something I've never done before. But yeah, and what's up? You guys, this thing is so good. Like I use Dano milk, sugar. I use the cowbell chocolate milk something, and then just like Nescafe coffee. Yeah, it's so good. Okay, so let's eat. Let's go.
You could be my baby, when you make it my lady.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight.
Hey guys, good evening. Yo, you guys, that glass I just felt raw. Well, you know what? It's okay, we move. How are you guys doing? So I was supposed to give you guys a haul of stuff that I got, which I swear to God, if another thing breaks, someone will have to release me from the hold they have on me. But I have the clothes here, so I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm not doing a try on haul because I could honestly not be bothered, but yeah. So So I'm looking there because I'm looking at the mirror just so that I see that you guys see everything. But I got tops, they're all tops, but this is the first top. You guys, I've worn it in this vlog, but I wanted to do a try on haul, but honestly after what just happened, no ma'am. But this is the first top. It's from ZARA, and I really like it because I have nothing like this in my wardrobe, and I have a lot of blazers, so I want things to wear underneath them, which is why I got the top. You see them the way they are. But yeah, so this is the first one. Then I picked up this bodysuit from the brand called Dynamite. Yeah, so I picked up this bodysuit. It's really nice, and it's a deep V. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Then I picked up another bodysuit. This is from Boohoo. Picked up another bodysuit. So this looks like this. Then it has the thing, where you put it, and it's also a deep V, which I really like, and it's black. So you can style this with denim shorts or like jean trousers. So that's cool. Then I got this ribbed bodysuit from Cotton On. So it's just a bodysuit, and it's from Cotton On. I don't know if you guys can see that it's from Cotton On. So yeah, so again, just something to wear in my blazers or style with jeans and stuff. Can you tell them energy is a bit low? But anyways, I also picked this up from Cotton On as well. From Cotton On, and it's a tube top. The only downside about this is that it fits me. It's just the crotch is too short, like the torso is too short, so it doesn't go all the way. So yeah, but I don't mind that. And like, I don't have anything like this. I usually like to have solid colors, so I thought that was fun. Then I picked up this top from Topshop. So this is what it looks like from Topshop, and like I said, it's just for like to wear in blazers and stuff. And this is what it looks like. Then oh my god, I love this top, and it's so different, right? But at the same time, I'm very interested by it. So this is from ASOS. Hold on. It's a wrap dress. Don't embarrass your enemy here, bro. Give your safe. But it's a really cute wrap dress from ASOS. So this is what the dress looks like. So I feel like I should get the drift, but it's such a cute dress. I know you guys can see that. Show myself. Yeah, it's such a cute. That's a dress. Shirt. It's a cute shirt, and the color and just like the pattern and all, it's interesting. Then I picked up this black shirt because I need more basic, just like tees, right? So I don't have a basic tee. So this is from Cotton On, and it's literally just a basic black top. Then I picked up this sweater because it started raining. Like, it's literally been raining all past few days. Like, when I tell you, I dried my clothes and they haven't dried in 3 days type of rain. So yeah, so I picked up this turtleneck just to wear in clothes if I need to. So this is from the brand Next. So yeah, so these are the clothes that I got. You guys know what's funny? I'm actually not annoyed that this cup broke. God is good. Something better is coming. Anyway, so these are the clothes that I got, and I really like them just because I'm I've cleaned up my wardrobe essentially, and I'm changing my style, and I feel like this fit into what I got going on. I have work tomorrow being Saturday. Today is Friday, if I didn't mention. I have work tomorrow being Saturday, and basically I'm going to be hosting a vox pop. So we have a client we're working for, and I'm going to be hosting a vox pop. I've never done it before. It's interesting. I'm excited, but I'm not nervous because like I'm not putting any stupid pressure on myself. I will do the best I can, right? And I'm going to impress myself. But yeah, I'm really excited to see how that goes. I'll vlog, of course. But yeah, just ignoring the elephant in the room that I had my hair plaited for. None of you got them business. You'll see in the video it's meant for. Okay. Hey guys, it's been a lot later now. I was filming. I had to stop because I needed my phone to charge. The time is 2 o'clock right now, and I'm about to leave the house. Well, it's 2 actually. I'm about to leave the house. I should have left earlier, but honestly, I was not leaving my house with a dead phone. Guys, I don't think I mentioned, right? But call time was moved from, okay, so initially call time was 2 p.m, right? It was moved to 8 p.m. because apparently, what was I saying? What am I saying? Yeah, call time was 2 p.m, right? But it was moved to 8 p.m. because apparently the event is at 8 fucking p.m. I'm like, I'm supposed to be on the island at 8 p.m. What? And like, the worst part is that it's a football match, so football match is like 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm like, oh okay, I'm not doing this shit with you guys. So as soon as I'm done with the part that takes me there, honey, I'm coming back home because I don't play, okay? I don't like being out late. So yeah, so I had breakfast. Oh my god, the most yummy thing, and I'm gonna show you guys the recipe in another vlog. But yeah, so I'm about to leave now, child. Like, really annoyed at life in general. I'm about to leave now, child. But this is the outfit I have on, and then I'm carrying this bag with me because I don't know if I'll need to carry gear and stuff. So I need like a big bag that I'll carry just about anything.
You don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the guys out. I'm a mindless with the dog. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that get both like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. And if we go and shadow, and if we go and shadow, and if we go and shadow, I did what I got when then kill Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like